very makulit, very madaldal, laging nag-I love you, nagkikiss, ganyan. Sana, stay lang siya sa pagiging sweet niya, sa pagiging clingy. Sana hanggang maging dalaga siya, ganun siya.
Sa lahat ng struggle sa buhay, lagi kami nandyan. Yun lang. I love you.
Matupad lahat ng birthday wishes mo. Good health and God bless you more. I love you.
A good girl, study well, and God bless.
Love na love namin tong batang to. Kasi napaka-sweet niya. Actually, super sweet. Kaya parang tunay na apo na talaga yung turing namin sa kanya.
Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Athena! We love you! Happy birthday, Athena! We love you!
Happy birthday, Athena! Love you!
Andito lang ako bilang mama, nanay, tsaka best friend. Sabi ko naman sa'yo lagi, kapag may gusto kang sabihin, may problema or anything, pwede mong sabihin sa akin.
All right, happy birthday to our birthday celebrant. Of course, we have here Athena. All right, you know what, guys? One of the greatest gifts that God given to us, our life. So for us human being, I think it is right for us to celebrate it whenever God gave us another year to live. In our days, sa kasalukuyan, I'm always searching to the Google. I'm always asking Google why we have to celebrate the 7th birthday of our daughters. Even the Google cannot answer me. I don't know why. Pero gusto lang natin. Basta may panggastos, pwede. Alright? And what is really important is that we are all gathered here today just to celebrate the 7th birthday of Athena with you, all right? And I'll be your host for this afternoon, and my name is Rockwell Pingol de Leon. Without any further ado, I would like to introduce to you the very important person behind the significant event in the lives of our birthday celebrant. And of course, I am perfectly pertaining with the immediate family. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you first the proud Lolo, Lola, auntie, and of course, the loving and supportive mother of our birthday celebrant. First up, let me have the guapong Lolo of our birthday celebrant. Let us put our hands together to Lolo Baba Jerry Kabiling. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. With the proud Lolo of Athena, we have here Lolo Baba Jerry Kabiling. At this point, isang masagabong palakpakan para kay Lola Au Kabiling. Come on! And of course, we have here the sexing auntie of Athena. Folks, let's give it up to Cristel Kabiling. And you know what, guys? This event wouldn't be possible without the presence of the loving and supportive mother of Athena. Folks, let us put our hands together to Mommy Zaira Clarice Cabiling. All right, and they're having, ladies and gentlemen, here we go with the family of Athena. Bigyan po natin sa muli ng isang malakas na palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. And at this point, we would like to request everybody to please stand up as we welcome our birthday celebrant of the day. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege and pride to present to you, celebrating her 7th birthday, let us all welcome the beautiful, the gorgeous, the smart, and the sexy. Isang masagabong palakpakan para kay Athena Zaira Cabiling. Here she goes, ladies and gentlemen, our birthday celebrant of the day. We have here Athena Zaira Cabiling. Magpalakpakan naman tayong lahat para sa kanya. And everybody say, Happy birthday, Athena. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and shout! Happy birthday to you, Athena. And you know what, guys? Just like in any memorable events in our lives, as what they say, let us put God first in everything we do. Please remain standing. Let us all bow our heads and ask the presence of our Lord Jesus Christ. And to give the opening prayer, I would like to call in Crystal Cabiling.
In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, as we prepare to celebrate Athena's birthday, I come before you with a heart full of gratitude for the beautiful soul she is. I lift up this special occasion to you, asking for your abundant blessings and grace to fill her birthday party. I pray for a joyful and harmonious gathering. May your love and warmth permeate every moment of the celebration, filling the hearts of all who attend with happiness and unity. Bless the preparations, the decorations, the food, and every detail of this event. Grant us your guidance to create an atmosphere of love, laughter, and cherished memories. May this day be a reflection of the joy my niece brings to our lives, surrounded by friends and family who love and appreciate her. Lord, bless every guest who joins us, and may their presence add to the happiness of this occasion. May the conversations be filled with kindness, the laughter be contagious, and the bonds be strengthened. As we celebrate, may your protective hand be upon us, ensuring safety and well-being for everyone present. Let this gathering be a reflection of your love, fostering connections and spreading joy. Thank you for the gift of life you give to Athena. May her heart be filled with joy and gratitude as she celebrates another year of life. May she feel deeply loved and cherished not only on this day, but throughout the coming year. Amen. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Thank you so much to you, Crystal. You will now take your seat, everybody. And of course, the family will be staying here with me. Just stay. You know what, guys? Just like in a gift can never be opened without a person who will open it more so to your program. So to formally welcome us all here tonight, let us all let us all listen to the welcome remarks of the proud mommy of our birthday celebrant. Friends, once again, let's give it up to Mommy Zaira Clarice Cabiling.
Sir naman, ako prepared. Anyway, thank you po kay Pamamunta kayong birthday ng Athena. Thank you for making time po
friends and families, and classmates. Hi, Marites! Basta mag-enjoy, tsaka magpakabsita mo po. Thank you po.
All right, Mommy Zaira, do you have your special message to your daughter Athena? Yes, let's do it. All right, hold your breath, okay? Just relax.
Tina. Happy 7th birthday, bebe. Kaluguran da ka sobra, lagi mong tatandaanan dito. Ako ima at tatang mo, ako palagi kakampi at kapate mo. Ako manabya buong pamilyang deserve mo, dakal naman lulugod kaya ako. Gawan ko ngan ingagyo ko para kaya sana dagol kang atin takot keng apong Ginoo, malugod at magana kang tao. Sana lagi kang healthy, strong and brave. Lagi ka sanang makiramdam kako at kareng taong makatwa kaya Ne. Makakamuanan at o mapapalo ka, uling atin kang mali or ali istong gagawan. Ali dahil eda ka kaluguran. Tatama mi ito. Para naman kaya ka ito anak. Ne. Pasalamat ko king apong Ginoo, ako man mitod king asawa, dintang ka king beku. I owe you an apology, God knows. Ako kaburyanan dahil kang broken family, basta be brave anak ha, tsuya laging Mama Kenny, at saka retang taong lulugod kaya ka. Sana mag-aral ka palalong masalese at magpakayari. Enjoy mo, na. Lagi kang makiramdam, na. Oy, ning last. Ege pag yung bitang buri mong gift. Na. Datang yarin. Okay? Na. Basta lagi da ka. Kapate. Joke lang. Kaluguran da ka. Sobra-sobra. Lagi ka makiramdam na. Okay? I love you so much.
All right, there have it, ladies and gentlemen. The message coming from the loving mother. We have here Zaira. Let me ask something about to the lolo and to the lola. All right, let me begin with Lola. Jerry, do you have something to say to your apo Athena? Let's have first Lolo Jerry.
Happy birthday, ne. Tin. Na. Lang na ako mo ang baksa kan. Kaway ka na mo.
All right, how about you, Mommy Al? Do you have something to say? Ama Bunsul kayo po. Ayaw din ni Athena. How about you, Tita Cristel? Do you have your message to your pamangkin?
Hi, Athena. Eka masyadong masya sa buntok at makiramdam ka kay kami. Kahit lagi mo kong bubudulan. To more budol ne. Love you. Happy birthday.
All right, and there have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, isang masagabong palakpakan naman para sa pamilya ni Athena. And at this point, let us all listen to the thank you message of Athena. Athena, do you have something to say to your family and to your guests today?
Thank you po.
Is that all? Do you have your message to your mommy, Zaira? What is that?
Love you.
All right, and to Lolo Jerry and Lola Au, what would you like to say to them?
Sana lagi kita mabudol.
How about for Mommy Ses, do you have your message for her?
Sana maganak ka na. Thank you po.
All right, and for Tita Cristel, do you have your message for her?
Sana magkajowa na siya.
Sana magka-jowa na. Wala pa siyang jowa. Sige, malay mo. Your wish will be granted. All right. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, bigyan naman natin ng isang masagabong palakpakan. We have here Athena. Thank you so much to you, Lola Jerry, Mommy Al, Mommy Zaira, and Tita Cristel. You may now go back to your seats. And of course, in every celebration like this, the opening ensemble would be the gentlemen still going to dance together with Athena. I'll be calling on all the names of our 7 tulips or 7 roses Please be ready, Lolo Jerry, Kuya Riley, Tito Kaydan, Matthew, Tito Raymond, Tito Lee, Andrew, and Kion Miguel Alfaro. All right, let me invite you, Athena. Come on. To begin with our 7 roses, let us put our hands together to Lolo Baba Jerry Kabiling. Next in line, we have Kuya Riley Jacob Castillo.
Alegría y cosa buena, dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo.
Lolo Jerry, you have to dance Macarena.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
All right, thank you. And now let's do the TikTok. Come on, come on, Riley. Alright, napakagaling naman pala ni Kuya Riley. Next, we have Tito Kaydan Layu. Thank you so much to you, Tito Kaydan. Let us now move on to Matthew Jimenez.
Esse é o bonde do Brunão. Desce até o chão. Esse é o bonde do Brunão. Rebola, for Brunão. Bola, for Brunão. Rebola, for Brunão.
Alright, thank you so much to you, Matthew. And now let's move on to Tito Raymond Kabiling. Come on, Tito Raymond, let's dance. Woo! Moving on to Tito Lee Andrew Kabiling. Come on, Tito Lee, let's dance. Alright, thank you so much. Next, To complete our 7 gentlemen, we have Kion Miguel Alfaro. Ladies and gentlemen, that completes our 7 roses. Bigyan natin sila ng isang malakas na palakpakan. Kion, stay here. And I would like to invite once again our 7 roses, Lola Jerry, Riley, Kaden, Matthew, Raymond, Lee, and Kion to please come back over here and let us have our photo of as we celebrate the 7th birthday of Athena with you, all right? And this will serve as a souvenir photo. And now let us now move on to our 7 blue bills, all right? So tatawagin ko po yung pangalan, sabay-sabay po kayong tatayo at pupunta dito sa harapan. I would like to call in Tito Layran and John Dre Bondok, together with Tita Ninang Crisel Cabiling, Jennifer Del Rosario, Eliza Dizon, and Ninong Charles Domingo, Ninong Mike Daniel Yalo, and Ninong John Carlo kayo. Ayan. Good afternoon, everybody. At 7 treasures, tatawagan po namin kayo ulit sa 7 treasures. Do you have your message to your inaanak Athena?
Happy birthday, Athena. Sana, ayan, magbana kay Tito Kokok mo. Tsaka lagi ka sumunod sa mga sinasabi na ni mama mo. God bless.
Is that all? Alright, how about po? What is your name?
Liran po.
Layran, what is your message for Athena?
Siyempre po, isa Paul po. Happy birthday, Athena. Stay healthy and makinig lang sa magulang. And yun lang. Stay healthy lang and yun lang.
Alright, thank you. How about you? What is your name po?
Eliza dito.
Eliza, what is your message for her?
So, hi Athena, sa aming TikTokeries or future doktora, happy birthday. So, eto na yung agila mo. Idagdag mo na lang sa ipon mo. So, ang wish ko para sa iyo ay sana matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay at sana lumaki kang happy, successful, and healthy. Huwag masyadong matigas ang ulo at sana wag mo na din kaming ilak sa kwarto ni Ma'am si Alice. Kundi ikaw hindi ko papauwin pag pumunta ka sa amin. Pagmatihin mo yung pag-aaral mo, mahal ka namin, mag-iingat ka palagi.
Thank you so much to you. And Cristel, do you have something to say more?
Happy birthday, baby love. Sana di na maging matigas ang ulo mo and makinig ka sa amin lagi. Dito lang lagi si Ninang to guide and support you. Galingan mo palalo sa school. Sana matupad lahat ng birthday wishes mo. Good health and God bless you more. I love you.
All right, and there have it, ladies and gentlemen, and that constitute our 7 bills. Magpalakpakan po tayo. And, all right, you may now hand over your gift to her. I believe yung iba po na-advance na po through GCash. All right, and just stay, don't go yet. Diyan lang po kayo. Bago po namin kayo pipicturean, you have to dance first sa TikTok dance number for Athena. Alright? Just stay. Kahit konti lang. DJ, let's play the music. Go fast or slow, either way after this. You should let me freak you should. Alright, and now let's do our picture taking. Direct, let's have it. After the 7 blue bills, we'll be moving on to our 7 cupcakes. I would like to call in Angelica Kayla Lim, Queen Margaret Pamintuan, Austin J. Bao, Glaze Yuri Abigail Sabate, Keisha Catriona Kiliao, Arlis Sideret Mascareñas, and Janela Leah Azur. Alright, may we have all the 7 cupcakes? Wow, napakarami mong pera at Tina. Ibibigay mo ba yan kay mommy?
No?
Anong gagawin mo sa pera mo na yan?
Bigay ko yung ninang.
Bigay mo kay Ninang, baliktad. Mas close kayo? Ni Ninang kaysa kay mommy? Ayan o, inaabot na. Ayan.
Ma,
Ha?
lang bagi si mama.
Walang bag si mama. Oo nga naman. Alright, heto na yung ating mga 7 cupcakes. Yung mga natawag po yung pangalan, lapit lang po tayo dito. Okay, let's go over here. Come on. Over here. Alright, let me begin on this side. Hi, good afternoon to you. What is your name?
Queen.
Queen. How old are you, Queen?
7.
7. Are you studying?
Wenceslao.
Wenceslao Elementary School. Ano ang gusto mong maging paglaki mo, Zia?
Flight attendant.
Flight attendant? Gusto mong sumakay ng eroplano?
Opo.
Napakaganda naman ng necklace mo. Sinong bumili ng necklace mo na yan?
Mama ko.
Saan niya binili?
Doon sa Shopee.
Ay, bongga, Shopee. Magkano kaya yan sa Shopee? Alam mo ba?
1,000.
1,000? Ay, ang ganda ng mo. Mayaman pala si mommy, ha? Alright. May mensahe ka ba para kay Athena?
Opo.
Ano yon? Sige, tumingin ka kay Athena.
Happy birthday, Athena. Stay pretty like me. I miss you.
Alright. Maraming salamat. And, heto na. Hi, dito ka. Lipat ka sa kabila, ha? Alright. Let me have you. Athena. Magkapangalan kayo. Ilang taon ka na, Athena?
5 years old.
5. Nag-aaral ka? Anong grade ka na? Ay, daycare ka pa lang siguro. Okay? Sino kasama mo ngayon?
Kuya Jai.
Sino?
Kuya Jai.
Sige na nga. Baka saan pa tayo mapunta? Okay. Athena, ano ang gusto mong sabihin kay Athena?
Happy birthday.
Ayun lang? Alright, maraming salamat. Dito naman ako sa kabila. Hi! Good afternoon to you. What is your name?
Glaze.
Glaze. How old are you, Glaze?
6 po.
Saan ka nag-aaral?
SRA po.
SRA. Ano ibig sabihin ng SRA? Santa Rita San Roque Academy. Alright. So, ikaw naman, anong paborito mong subject? Mathematics, English, Filipino?
Math books. Pino. GRC.
Ay, dami niyang favorite. Ako, wala man akong favorite, recess lang. Sige. Ano ang mensahe mo kay Athena?
Happy birthday, Athena. I wish you are the best.
Alright, thank you so much. Dito ka muna, ha? Stay back, Glaze. And let me have you, pretty little girl. Come on. Iyan. Parang kilala ko to. Parang anak ni Lady to, ha? Tama? Hi. Step forward, baby girl. Yan. What is your name?
Janela.
Janela. How old are you?
6.
6. Nag-aaral ka?
San Roque Academy.
San Roque Academy. Sino kasama mo ngayon?
Lola.
Lola. Wala si mommy lady mo?
Opo.
Wala. Alright. Ano naman ang mensahe mo para kay Athena?
Happy birthday, Athena.
Is that all?
Yes.
Alright. Thank you so much to you, Janela. And now let's have the thorn among the roses. Halika dito. Ano naman ang iyong pangalan?
Austin.
Austin. Ilang taon ka na?
7.
7. Nag-aaral ka rin?
Opo.
Anong grade ka na?
Grade 1 up to 30.
Grade 1. Tapos yung section mo? Aphrodite. Alright. Sino ang favorite teacher mo?
Machine.
Machine. Talaga? Alright. Anong mensahe mo para kay Athena?
Happy birthday, Athena.
Yun lang? Okay, thank you so much to you, Austin. Atras ka lang. And lastly, we have here, are you one of them? Come on, do you want to join? Dito. Kamagulo ha, dyan ka lang, ha?
Sa cupcake.
Wala siyang cupcake. Bibigyan ko yung cupcake. Wapin naman, Lyman Cup. Mang kanuwabe, hawakan mo to. Ano ang iyong pangalan?
Andre po.
Andre. Ilang taon ka na, Andre? 7. Kaano-ano mo naman si Athena? Magkaibigan ba kayo? Pinsan or ano? Magkaklase kayo? Magkaaway! Kasi mukhang malikot tong si Andre eh. Andre, wala pa, mamaya. May mensahe ka ba para kay Athena?
Happy birthday, Athena.
Yun lang? Alright, very good. Dito ka sa kabila ha. Huwag kang malikot, dyan ka lang. Gagaloy nga na kayo nila. Ha?
Malikot si Ethan doon sa school namin.
Malikot? Mga marites pala yung mga kaklase mo, Athena. Sige, let me have you. Wait a minute, Janela, ha? What is your name?
Angel.
Angel. How old are you, Angel? 8.
8.
How are you connected with Athena? Magkaano-ano kayo ni Athena?
Cousin.
Cousin. May mensahe ka ba para sa cousin mo?
Yes.
What is that?
Happy birthday, Athena. I hope all your wishes come true.
All right, very good. And there have it, ladies and gentlemen, and that completes our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 cupcakes na sila ngayon. Magpalakpakan naman tayo for them. And of course, magpapapicture muna tayo. All right? So, sige, dyan lang muna kayo. Kuya? All right, eto na sila. All right, everybody look here. Dito lang kayo tumingin kay Kuya ha. Mag-smile kayo. Everybody smile. One more. All right. Are we good? Dyan muna kayo ha. Huwag muna kayong aalis. Bitawan nyo muna yung mga gift nyo sa baba. All right. Siyempre, tatayo kayong dalawa. Tayo ka muna, Austin and Andre. Diyos ko, yung memory Kiriani po yung Andre. Dito. Upo muna sila ulit. Sit down. Take a seat, Andre. All right. Ready? Everybody look here in the camera. All right. Let's do the walkie. 1, 2, 3, and walkie. All right. Tayo kayo ha. Sasayaw tayo ng TikTok bago tayo babalik sa pwesto natin. Everybody stand up. Ayan. Come on, stand up. DJ, tayo ka din. Athena, sasayaw ka din with them. Dito ka, Andre. Andre, dito ka ha. Yan. What?
I don't know how to dance.
You have to for Athena. DJ, let's play the music. Go.
Di makahinto. Na 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 na. Nahuhulog ang loob. Di na na na.
Parang hindi nila alam, DJ. Can we have the APT na lang for them? Let's go.
Me at the apata pata apata pata apata pata apata pata apata pata apata pata
All right, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Muli po, isang malakas na palakpakan para sa kanila. Ayan. Pwede nyo nang iabot yung mga gifts kay Athena and yung cupcakes sa inyo na yan. Alright? Maraming sa Austin. Abot mo na yung gift mo kay Ate Athena. Thank you. Alright. Come on over here, baby girl. Oh, ayaw niya. Okay. And right after this one, let's have Athena. Thank you, Janella. Let's move on to our 7 treasures. Alright? I would like to call in Mom Shilay Santos, Ninong Anthony, Ninang Elaine, Chelsea May Kabiling, Ninang Princess, Tita Jamie, and Ninang Athena del Rosario. May we have you first, Chelsea. What is your message for Athena?
Hello, Athena. Wishing you a birthday filled with love, happiness, and success. Happy birthday, Athena. We love you.
Thanks so much to you. How about you, Paul? Do you have your message for Athena?
Happy birthday, Be. May all your dreams come true. Good health always. God bless.
All right. So, eto na si Andre ulit. Ano ang mensahe mo para kay Athena?
Happy birthday, Athena.
Yun lang? All right, yan ka lang ha. And let me have this little girl. What is your message for Athena?
Happy birthday, Athena.
Is that all?
Ate.
Ate, all right. Napaka-sweet naman. Let me have you, pretty girl. What is your message for Athena?
Message ko po sa kanya, sana po masaya po yung birthday niya po.
Is that all? All right, thank you. How about you? Come on over here. What is your name? Pangalan mo?
Right.
Anong mensahe mo kay Athena?
Happy birthday.
Yun lang? Di ka naman galit. Hindi naman. O, sige. So, let me have you. Ano ang iyong pangalan?
Ramsel.
Ramzel. Ano ang mensahe mo kay Athena?
Happy birthday.
Yun lang? O, inisip mo pa talaga ha? Kala ko mahaba yung sasabihin mo. Napatingin ka pa sa taas. O, sige. Ikaw naman. Napaka-cute mo. Ano ang iyong pangalan?
Si Alite Osua.
Ano naman ang mensahe mo para kay Athena?
Happy birthday, Athena.
Yun lang? All right, yun lang. And there have it, friends. And that constitute our 7 gifts and 7 treasures. Isang masagabong palakpakan naman para sa kanilang lahat. Pwede na nating iabot yung regalo natin para kay Athena. All right, and let's have our picture taking. Axel, how are you? Hi. Anong mensahe mo para kay Athena? May message ka ba?
Happy birthday, Athena.
Yun lang? Yun lang? Sige. Axel, dyan ka muna. Magpapapicture kayo, ha? Alright, everybody look here in the camera. Let's do the walkie. Alright. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sasayaw muna kayo, ha? Tayo muna kayo, tayo. DJ, let's play the music for them. Go!
Meet me at the
Parang nabitin sila, DJ. Ulitin mo nga. Let's do the bumblebee. Do you have your bumblebee? Come on. Here we go. Alright, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Maaari na kayong bumalik sa inyong mga upuan. Alright, thank you. And at this point, I believe our food is now ready to serve for everybody. But of course, we'll be having our table by table picture taking. Kailangan pipila muna tayo ha. I mean, pipicturean muna tayo bago tayo pipila. Magtatawag po tayo ng mga numbers. Pakitignan po yung mga numero sa inyong mga lamesa. Alright? Let me have first our table number 1.
Staring at the edge of the water, long as I
Yun po ang pamagandang ata. All you have to do is just to run towards me. Tatakbo lang po kayo papunta dito sa akin. Okay? Are you ready, guys? Ready na. DJ, let's play the first music. Go! Ano ang pamagandang kantang ito? Come on, everybody! Let's go over here! Teka lang. Yan. Tatlo po kayo, ha? Yan. Dito tayo, dito tayo. Do you wanna... Ay, ang dami. Okay. Ay, ang dami nila. Alright. Hi, what is your name?
Tek Natavio.
Mommy Tek. Alright. And we have here...
Angel.
Angel. Dito po kayo. Alright. Magjo-join ka ba? Sasali ka sa game? Alright. Ano ang pamagat ng kanta? Wala. How about you? What is the title?
Macarena.
You?
Macarena.
Mommy Tek, what is the title?
Macarena.
Macarena is correct. Dito po tayo sa taas. Yan, akyat tayo, mami. Yan, tatanggap po kayo ng regalo. Yan, dyan ka lang. And, of course, you have to dance first. The music. DJ, let's play it. Go!
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
All right, congratulations. You'll be receiving a gift coming from our birthday celebrant and... Okay, 50,000 pesos in cash. This for you and another one for you. Congratulations. And now let's have our second music. Thank you. But I'll go back to our seats. DJ, let's play the second song. Ano ang mamagandang kanta ito? Bawal na umulit, ha? All right, let me have you. Come on, son, over here. Yan. Do you want to join? Oh. Bawal na ang Ay, ito, may nangikutak. Okay. Sige. Join ka. Ay, abya ka pala. Okay, sige. Pagbibigyan ko na to. Pag naka-receive na kayo ng regalo, bawal na ang uulit. Alright, ano ang pamagat ng kanta?
Spaghetti.
How about you?
Spaghetti pababa.
Spaghetti pa baba. Ikaw naman?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Ikaw, Andre?
Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream yummy. Ikaw, ano ang pamagat ng kanta?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. How about you?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti, ang ganda ng ngipin mo, ha? Kayo po, ate, ano ang pamagat ng kanta?
Spaghetti pababa.
Spaghetti pa baba. Ikaw, join ka ba? What is the title of the song?
Yes.
Yes. Ay, huwag kayo malikot. All right. Ay, don't jump. Yan, okay, dyan ka lang, ha? The correct answer, ay, Andre! Don't do that. Just stay. Do not jump, okay? Stay. The title of the song is Spaghetti. Sayawin natin to, tatanggap kayo ng regalo. DJ, let's play it, go! Sabay-sabay!
Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas ng pataas. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, spaghetti pababa at pataas.
Alright. Ano ang gusto mo? Pera o regalo?
Pera.
Pang-load. You'll be receiving 50,000 and that's for you. How about you? Ano ang gusto mo? Pera o... Ayan, dahan-dahan ha. Anong gusto mo? Pera o regalo?
Pera.
Pera din. Congratulations. How about you? Come on over here. Pera o regalo?
Pera.
Pera din. O sige, this is for you. How about you? What do you like? Money or gift?
Money.
Money? Naku, naubusan na sa dulo. And this for you, alright? Ayan, si Andre, nakatanggap na ng regalo. Meron ka na, yan na yung regalo mo. How about you? Money or gift?
Gift.
Gift. Penging gift, mommy, pambabae? Alright, let me have you. And this for you, congratulations. Nasa yung isa? Ay, dumiretso na pala sila. O, sige. What do you like? Money or gift?
Gift.
Gift. Hingi ka kay mommy, ha? How about you? Gifts or money?
Money.
Money. And this for you. Yan, hingi ka kay mommy. Alright. And now, let's have our third song. Ay, baby, balik ka na dun sa upuan mo. Yan. DJ, let's play it. Go! Alright. Yan. Do you want to join? Come on. Meron na kayo. Upo na yung may hawak na regalo na. Dito ka, ka dito. Meron ka na, di ba? Yan. You take your seat. Alright. Do you want to join? Sige. Okay. What is the title of the song?
Dancing Queen.
Dancing Queen. How about you?
Dancing Queen.
You?
Dancing Queen.
Kayo po?
Dancing
Dancing, mukha na po kayong mayaman. Nag-join pa talaga kayo. O, sige. Dancing Queen is correct. DJ, let's play it. Go! You have to dance. Wait a minute, DJ. DJ, pag hindi kayo sumayaw, hindi kayo tatanggap ng regalo. Kailangan you have to dance. Let's repeat it. DJ, play it. Having the time of your life. See that girl, watch that sing. All right, congratulations, mommy. What do you like? Gift or house and lot? Wala tayong pag-gift na house and lot. Meron. Okay, you wanna receive 50,000? Congratulations. How about you? What do you like? Candy or gift?
Gift.
Gift. Bibigyan kita ng regalo, ha? Alright, this is for you. Congratulations. How about you? What do you like?
Gift.
Gift. You?
Gift.
Gift din. O, sige. All right, thank you so much, dear mommy. What do you like, track or chess? Chess. And this for you. Congratulations. Maraming salamat. And now let's have our next music DJ play! Mamukhang marami ito.
Game
Come on! Heto na. Bawal na ang meron ng na-receive na gift at money. Naka-receive ka na, tama? Hello, gusto mo pa mag-join ulit? Alright. Hi, Janella. What do you think is the title of the song?
Apatapati.
Apatapati. Alright. How about you?
APT.
APT. What is your guess?
APT.
Apatapati or APT is correct. Congratulations. Let's dance it. Go!
Meet me at the
One more time. Congratulations ha. Ito, nakatanggap na to eh. Bibigyan kita ng candy. Congratulations, and this for you. Janella, let's go over here. You have to pick your gift. Alright, anong gusto mo? Pili ka dyan. What do you like? What is your favorite? Yan. Let me have you over here. Come on, what gift do you like? Congratulations to you, baby girl. Pili ka lang. Okay. And you, let's go. Anong gusto mo? Pili ka. Pambabae yan. Yan, you like truck? Or yan? O, bala ka na nga dyan. Okay. And now let's have our trivia question for our birthday celebrant. Kapag alam niyo po ang sagot, tatakbo lang kayo papunta dito. Tatanggap po kayo ng regalo. Galing kay Athena and of course, Mommy Zaira. This is the first question. Nung bata daw si Athena, ano ang tawag sa kanya? Go! Yan, halika na dito, Mami. Hi, dito po tayo. Parang nagkakilala na po tayo. Alright, what is your name?
Priscilla.
Mommy Priscilla. May-ari ng Priscilla Pavilion, di naman. Ah, okay. Alright, what is the nickname of Athena?
Nak.
Bunak? Tama ba? Mami Zaira, Bunak? Mali! Pero tatanggap ka pa rin ng regalo, Mami Priscilla. Congratulations! Sino ang nakakaalam kung ano ang tawag kay Athena? Okay. What is the answer?
Baby A.
Bakit naging Baby A?
Baby Athena.
Baby A, Baby Athena is correct. Congratulations! Tatanggap po kayo ng regalo. Yan, ano ang bibigay natin regalo for her? Pili lang po kayo. Perfume, lotion, or... Yan, congratulations. This is our next question. Ano ang pangalan ng mommy ni Athena? Go! Yan. I mean, nauna na, Beha. Pero tingnan na... Sige, tingnan natin. Give me the full name of the mother of Athena.
Pala.
Yes. How about you? Do you know the full name?
Caris.
Ano?
Zaira Caris.
Zaira Clarice. Anong apelido? Ha? Zaira Clarice what?
Bini.
Bini? Parang kanta yata yun ah. Zaira Clarice Kabiling is correct. Congratulations. Tatanggap ka ng regalo galing kay Mommy Zaira. Alright? Let's have our second question. Ano ang pangalan ng magandang lola ni Athena? Come on. Give me the name of the magandang lola of Athena. Eto na. O, diba? Hi, good evening. Your name is?
Jocelyn.
Mommy Jocelyn. Kaano-ano niyo po si Athena?
Apo na.
Apo na. Alright. Ano daw yung pangalan ng lola niya?
Aurora Katiling. Aurora.
Maria
Aurora Katiling.
Maria Aurora Kabiling is correct. Congratulations. Pero bago ka ka namin bibigyan ng regalo, sasayaw ka muna, ha? DJ, bigyan mo na ako ng music. Tayong dalawa, sasabayan kita. DJ, let's have it, go!
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
Alright, ano lang kasimple, natanggap ka na ng regalong pampaganda mula kay Mami Syra. Congratulations yan, lapit lang po kay Mami Sy. Let's have our next question. Ano ang pangalan ng gwapong lolo ni Athena? Go! Come on! Ano daw yung pangalan ng gwapong lolo? Who wants to answer the question? Wala? Wala. Alright, let's have our next question. Give me the name of the beautiful auntie of Athena. Yan. Ano daw yung pangalan ng tita ni Athena? Yung naka-yellow kanina. Do you know the name? Mukhang hindi nila alam yun. Come on over here, mommy. Let's go. Yan, heto na. Wait a minute, baby girl. All right. What do you think is the name? Cristel. How about you?
Cristel.
Cristel Kabiling is correct. Congratulations. Lapit lang kayo doon kay mommy. Zyra, ha? Tatanggap kayo ng regalo. Next question. Ano ang pangalan ng school ni Athena? Go! Yan. Ano po? Ang dami nila, mami. Oh. Okay. Alright. What is your name?
Kathleen.
Ano daw yung pangalan ng school ni Athena?
San Roque Dau Academy.
San Roque Dau Academy. How about you?
San Roque Academy.
San Roque. Oh, ba't sa'yo may dau? Lugar yata yun eh. Kasama yon. How about you? What is the name of the school?
San Roque Dau
San Roque Dau
Academy.
Ha? Company?
Academy.
Academy. Yan. Ikaw, ano daw?
San Roque Dau Academy.
San Roque Dau Academy. How about you? Ay, tune naman pala yun eh. Ano daw yung pangalan ng school? Naku, mukhang hindi mo alam, mukhang hindi ka tatanggap ngayon ng regalo. Ano daw yung pangalan ng school ni Ate Athena? Ha? Mamaya, balikan kita. Alright, what is the name of the school?
One says SRA.
SRA, anong ibig sabihin?
San Roque Dau
Academy. Alright, how about you?
San Roque Dau Academy.
San Roque Dau Academy. How about you?
San Roque Dau Academy.
San Roque Dau Academy and?
SRA.
Anong ibig sabihin?
San Roque Verde.
San Roque Dau Academy. Alright, tatanggap kayo ng regalo. Pero, yung may regalo na, candy ang tatanggapin nyo. Alright? So, sino yung nakatanggap na ng regalo? Receive your gift, your candies. Yan. How about you? Come on over here. You like this? Alright. So, meron ka na, di ba? This for you. And come on. What do you like? Pili ka dyan. This one. Sige. Congratulations. And, sorry, come on. Meron ka na. You'll be receiving a candies, okay? And you, nakatanggap ka na ba ng laruan? Ha? Hindi pa. Pili ka dyan. Ito na lang yung pandalaki. Let's all welcome our birthday celebrant. Second look, isang masigabong palakpakan para kay Athena Kabiling. Come on! Heto na ang ating napakagandang birthday celebrant we have here, Athena Kabiling. Magpalakpakan naman tayong lahat for her. Let's go over here, Athena. Ayan, wow, napaka-sexy ni Athena. Okay. And now let's have the second part of our program. We still have our 7 candles. I would like to call on Ninang Kyla Marie Lumba together with Ninang Iris Joyce Guzman, Ninang Rocher Guevara, Tita Juliana Cabiling, BFF Isabel Kim, Ninang Rona, and Ninang Martina. May we have all the Ninangs the 7 candles? Let's go over here. Let me have you first. What is your wish, Athena? Kindly listen. What would you like to say to Athena?
First of all, happy birthday, Athena. Wala naman kaming gustong hilingin kung hindi matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. Then, laging makinig kay Mami, wag matigas ang ulo eh. Basta lagi lang nandito sila Ninang, ako, tsaka si Ninang Kayla lang. Pag lumaki ka, makakasama mo din kami. Yun, I love you so much.
Thank you. How about you? What would you like to say?
Happy 7th birthday, BFF. Thank you for being my best friend. Stay pretty, kind, and healthy. I wish you all the best and may God bless you.
Athena. Happy birthday, anak. Know that Ninang will always be here for you. Pati kay Mami. Lagi naman kitang sinasabihan. Makinig. Huwag matigas ang ulo. Ha? Kina Baba, kina Meme, lahat. Nandito lang kami palagi. I love you. Happy birthday. Nandyan ba?
Hello. Happy birthday, Athena. Huwag ka munang mag-fried chicken tsaka crispy pata, no? Hindi. Happy birthday. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Huwag kang masyadong maldita. Huwag kang masyadong magmana kay Ninang. Konti lang. Oh, huwag ka daw marites, sabi ni Kakaila. So, mag-aral kang mabuti. Nag-pray ka. Ikaw lang yung kayamanan ng mama mo. Tama na, baka makarating pa tayo sa Taiwan, no? Tayong dalawa. Aral ka ng mabuti. We love you.
Thank you so much. And of course, Athena, your BFF will be giving you a gift. Tama ba? Sa kanya galing? Alright. Alright, and that is for you. Okay? And there have it, friends, and that completes our 7 candles. Magpalakpakan po tayong lahat. And you're gonna dance the TikTok dance number, of course. Mamaya na lang. And we do have another one. Mami Sheng. And Mami Jo. Come on.
Hi, Athena. First of all, happy birthday, 7th birthday. Bibuhay nga na kayo ni eh. From the start, ne, Athena? Continue to be a good daughter and a granddaughter to Mami Au and Mami Sai. Okay? Be a good girl, study well, and God bless. Thank you.
And may we have Mommy Jo, please? Meron pa pala dito. Sorry, I forgot you. Kasi pinalipat kita kanina.
Happy birthday, Athena. Sumunod ka lang kay Mami. Magiging okay na siya everyday.
Alright, thank you. And Mommy Jo, right? Come on.
Athena, happy birthday. Maging mabuting bata ka. Ang wish ko maging mabuting bata, lagi kang maging malusog, makinig kay Mama Sai parate, at saka love na love ka namin. God bless you.
Sandra Clown.
Alright, so kids, it look like again. Alright, so next kid is a kind of insecto. Insekto na lumilipad. Fly high. Butterfly! Alright, so kids, mukha naman butterfly. Para sa isa next kids, makikita sa tubig, lumalangoy. Ano daw? What? A fish is correct. Alright, so next kids, yan is a kind of animals. A cat love to chase. What? Alright, daga is correct. Alright, so kids, mukha na bang daga? Okay, para sa iyo. Alright, so next kids. Yan isang klaseng uri ng ibon na nagsisimula sa letter S. Madalas siya sa katubigan. What? Snake is wrong. It's a word, kids. Ano ito? Starts sa letter S. Snake is wrong. Isda is wrong. Hindi nyo alam to? Swan. Oh, it's a swan skid yan. So, right, so next, kids. Isang klaseng uri ng halaman na nagsisimula sa letter B. What? Binibigay ito sa mga babae. A flower! Or bulaklak. Alright, so last kids, yan is a kind of animals a dog love to chase. What? Paboritong habulin ng mga aso. Cat is wrong. A dog is correct. Alright, so stop na tayo sa ating balloon twisting. So at this point, some requests once again, Mommy and Daddy, and the birthday celebrator, please here in front for a blowing of cake candle. Ayan, so pwede ko ma-invite ulit si Mommy and Daddy and the birthday celebrator. Dito muna tayo sa harapan for the blowing of cake candle. Of course, sa mga guests natin na nandito pa, please sabay-sabay po natin kantahan ng happy birthday song ang ating birthday girl na si Athena. So, nasan si Athena? Alright, so after dyan, Athena, punta muna sa harapan. Okay, once again, lahat ng guests na nandito pa, please, sabay-sabay po natin kantahan ng happy birthday song si Athena. Kung mas maganda po, lumapit po tayo lahat dito sa harapan, okay? Ayan, pwede lapit tayo dito para nakikita sa video na marami yung tao. Marami pa yung tao. Alright, so Tina and Sir Mom, please, dito tayo sa harapan. Alright, once again po, sabay-sabay po natin kantahan ng happy birthday song si Athena. So request everyone to please stand. Tayo po tayo lahat, Sir Ma'am. Kids, tayo rin tayo lahat. At sabay-sabay natin kantahan ng happy birthday si Athena. Yes, alright. So now, Kuya DJ, play the music. Alright, come on, let's sing everybody! Happy birthday to you! Louder, please! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Alright, yung masaya naman! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Come on, let's everybody! Happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Alright, so now Athena, so blow the candle and make a wish. And a 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, yeah. Alright, so of course, so pakinggan natin si Athena kung anong birthday wish siya para sa sarili niya. Okay? So Athena, so what is your birthday wish or ano bang gusto mo matanggap ngayong birthday mo? Alright, so dahil wala pa siyang naisip, si Mommy muna ang magbibigay ng birthday wish para kay Athena. So Mommy?
Same lang yung wish ko, maging ano ka lang. Mabait, tsaka masunurin na bata. Tapos, okay lang na maging makulit ka, pero mag-listen ka pa rin kay mama at saka sa mga nakakatanda sa'yo. Basta yung wish mo, hindi ko yun mabibigay. Ako na lang.
Okay.
Love you. Suspect.
Yes, alright, of course, so bago po tayo magsalisan, of course, for the closing remarks, ayan, so meron pong sasabihin si Athena sa inyong lahat. Okay?
Thank you very much po.
Yun lang. Ayun lang na. Alright, so of course, Kuya Clown, dito muna tayo for pictures. So, Kiss, atras muna kayo, Kiss. Tabi muna tayo para may picture kami kila Mami. Okay? Ayan. Picture muna tayo. Kuya Clown dito sa taas. Okay, sa tingin po tayo sa camera. Ready? And at 3, 2, 1, smile! Kids, ano muna kayo? Atras muna kayo. Alis muna kayo dyan, okay? Yan. Okay, so smile po tayo. Smile! Waki-waki naman tayo. Waki-waki! Yes, alright. So once again po, so bago po tayo magsiyalisan, of course, I'd like to sing for the following. Of course, ay Grill for our venue. Of course, ay catering services. Of course, for isa sa dahilan kung ba't kayo gusto ngayon. Of course, Kasana Clowns and Funny Needs. Of course, for the clowns. And of course, Wedding Lighting Sounds. Of course, photography, sir. Videography and Bollywood. So maraming salamat. And of course, ating host kanina. So sir, maraming salamat po. Alright, so if you have a coming event, we need a clown decoration catering services. Pwede ba kayo mag-visa page na Ikaka? I-type nyo lang po sa inyong face. So just type Ikaka Catering Services. Or pwede rin po kayo mag-visit sa page po ng Ikaka. Okay? Alright, so now on behalf of Mommy, and of course, our birthday celebrant, I'd like to thank you, everybody. Sana po nag-enjoy ka sa birthday part. Of course, once again, the birthday celebrator, Athena, that's coming over tonight. So, babay na po kami ni Kuya Clown. And God bless you all. Bye-bye! Alright, so mga kids pala natin dyan sa meron